Welcome to this quick demonstration of the WordPress Two-Factor Authentication plugin by Vonage, which uses the Vonage Verify API. To get started, I'm going to log into a new WordPress site as the sole administrator. Now we head to the plugin Storefront. Type in Vonage into the search bar to the right, wait for the plugin to appear in the results, and then click Install on the Vonage 2FA plugin. Once it's installed, you can activate it by clicking the button again, which has changed from Install to Activate. You can also activate it from the Installed plugin dashboard. You now have a Vonage 2FA menu item in the WordPress admin bar. Click on this menu item so we can load the plugin settings. Here, we put in the master API key and secret from the Vonage dashboard, so let's head over to our Vonage account and paste in the keys. Now that we've hooked in our credentials, the plugin needs to be configured for each individual. On the WordPress profile dashboard, every user has a new section added by the plugin for you to put in your phone number and to activate 2FA. Let's do that now. We're all set, so let's log out and attempt to log back in again. In the background, WordPress has followed the SMS-only workflow in the Verify API. I now have a PIN that's been sent to my cell phone, so let's log in with it. Great! What has happened under the hood is that the Verify request ID has been saved in the user's session. To demonstrate this, we'll log out and log back in again, the same as before. And there we go. The plugin will check if there is a request ID each time and call the Verify API to validate it. If it fails, for instance if a new machine is being used or the verification has expired, the workflow in WordPress is reset.